Hi, I'm Bob with Top Choice Real Estate and the Living in Indiana team, bringing you the word on the street, talking Indiana real estate. Today we're touring Bartholomew County, Indiana. This county is located about 40 miles due south of the Indianapolis city circle, Monument Circle. There you can find all kinds of jobs, cultural opportunities, major league sporting events, and all kinds of fun. Columbus was formed in 1821. Back in 1900, it marked the center of the U.S. population. And speaking of population, the current population of Bartholomew County is 85,000 people. However, 60% of that at least is found here in the county seat, which is the city of Columbus. All the other towns are very small, and the majority of the county is rural. Now, Columbus is set along I-65 and the major highways 31 and 46. Now, I-65 will take you quickly to downtown Indianapolis or south to Louisville and on to Nashville, Tennessee. It's no surprise that there's a railroad that runs through it, as the first railroad in the state ran from Madison to Columbus. And that was in 1844. 20 years later, the city was incorporated and the county courthouse was built just a few years later. And as you can see, it is still in use today. Columbus has long been a manufacturing center. It was the national headquarters of Arvin Industries, which was more recently acquired by Meritor. And just south of town is the Toyota Material Handling Facility, which is the world's largest forklift manufacturer. However, it is best known as the world headquarters of Cummins Engine Company. Cummins is ranked number 149 on the Fortune 500 list. It was founded in 1919 by a machinist and a banker. Kind of an odd combination, but it sure has worked for them. They took diesel engines to a new international height, and today they sell in 190 countries through a network of 7,200 dealers. So if you're considering moving here, you're going to want to pick up our relocation guide. It's free and there's no obligation. My staff and I have prepared the ultimate relocation guide, and you can get your copy below. So Columbus has long been blessed with a healthy supply of good paying jobs and strong civic leadership. It is well known as the Athens of the Prairie for its 60-some buildings of outstanding architecture. Every year, Columbus shows off these buildings with their Exhibit Columbus event. Because of its high quality of living, Columbus has won a good share of those Best of awards. People always ask me about crime and safety and health care, and Columbus gets good marks on all of those fronts. It has 700 acres of parks and 20 miles of trails, and a couple good golf courses, and there's even a good fishing lake nearby with tiger muskie in it. The school system is rated A- by niche.com, and there are 2 high schools. North High School has one of the largest gymnasiums in the country, and Chuck Taylor of basketball shoe fame played his high school hoops there. There are also several small colleges here in the city of Columbus. Okay, let's talk housing. After all, hey, this is a housing channel, right? There were 976 homes sold during the past 12 months here in Bartholomew County. The prices ranged from $23,000 to $2.5 million. And the median was just $265,000, which makes it very affordable, not just on the state level, but the national level as well. My wife, Lynn, was born here in Columbus and raised here, in fact, went to high school here, and so I've spent quite a bit of time here over the years. And so I can be of real help to you if you're looking for a home in Bartholomew County. Now, if you'd like to be a part of this highly acclaimed city, be sure to give me a quick call or text, and I'll be glad to help you out with all your real estate needs. And hey, you make it a great day now.